Everyone, the time has finally come. Winter is here in Ohio. It's getting cold, and I wanted to go through how to winterize your hardy bananas. Now, this video is only applicable to the basjoo hardy bananas or the hardy ever red bananas. So if you don't have either of those, your bananas are not going to make it through the winter. And if you have not put your basjoo hardy bananas in the ground for the winter by now, it's too late to put them in the ground. You need to store those inside for the winter. But I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily overwinter your bananas. This is my method, and I've been doing this for going on 20 years, and my bananas every year, as you can see here in the gardens at the ranch, get quite large. The first thing that you're going to need is a cheap kitchen knife. I like ones that have a serrated edge. This is just a good old kitchen knife, and this is going to be for cutting your leaves and your banana stalks down. Be careful with this process for obvious reasons. So what I'm doing here is I'm actually using the leaves to insulate the base of the plant. Leave them, and you can even use the larger stems to hold them in place. After I get all of these leaves down, so I'm actually going to pull on some other leaves from my yard for a little extra insulation. Yep. The more you put on and the deeper the insulation, the bigger your bananas are going to get. So long story short, it's not complicated. Cut the bananas down, cover them with leaves, get a nice layer of insulation, and you're gonna have amazing plants next year. Come spring, when it's time to uncover them, just watch for sometime either in late March or early April when we start getting up into the 40s at night, and you can go ahead and start uncovering those. And if you don't want the leaves around them, take them to the compost pile. Leaves make great compost, and honestly, they're gonna be mostly gone come spring. So there you have it. That's how to overwinter your hardy bananas.